Ka Jingsuki ban pentre ya ka scheme Sam Ombam Jal Jeevan Mission JJM Hais Jante Hills District ka bala palat menta jan sansnem AA kala penong ya uba lektor dekhar ban pan da ka RTI na ka office trekam u executive engineer PHE electrical division ki musniang jawai halor ka jingbam trekam ka JJM Hais Jante Hills District Haden ka jingpan RTI layo e ka jubab na ka te ka office trekam hak arbu nyau trek jemang ar hajar arkusan Uba lektor dekhar lawan poi haslong press club bane thu pai ba yaki juba baka PHE kala pha sha u knang baki pai ba naga than East Giant Hills ru kintim haba pen pau ya kani lengba ki lat pathai khubor uba lektor ulaong baka jing ai daw halor ka jing pen slam ban pentri kam ya kani ka scheme kade namar ka jing wan joka khlam COVID-19 halor kani ka phang uba lektor ulaong umla ban priang ya kani ka jing ai daw jongki bor ka PHE Ulaong, kidan kumba shispa prangut ki kontraktor ki ba pentrai ya kan ka scheme henry menta lajandap henry usnem kidang la ban pendap tang ha khat artli kishnong
Snong jong ka East Hill District nidap da kajing sngaulongo bat ni kwa ru bantip ha kabayadei bat kani ka scheme Jal Jeevan Mission JJM tigi pat ba ki kwa bantip ya kajing sisa balai kani ka scheme kampat poi sha kilong ying jong ki pat ba hapo East Hill District te ka penlong yang bangan wat da ka jingtip lengba ka Right to Information Act ka bangalapan na u Executive Engineer PHE Electrical Division Kim Musniang Jawai te ngalapan ya kani ka RTI ngalapan hadu artli namar kawai kamlong clear te kani kawai ka bangalayo kadai ha kabang lapan nadu neutrik April mentau senam arjar arposan bat ngalayo ya kani haka khat artrik ubenai me di hangdi ngalapan ya kani ong ba under the scheme of Jal Jeevan Mission how many household connection has been done till date, what are the reason of late connection? Reply, number of functional household tap connection on the JJM is 5,093. Reason for delay, the COVID-19 pandemic lasting for more than 2 years has drastically slowed down the progress of the work. The land tenure system in Meghalaya has turned out to be as one of the major hurdles encountered during the implementation of the scheme. All plots of land required for the construction of various components of the scheme belong to private landowners. There are 3 multi-village schemes that covers 46 villages from 3 water sources. Laying of pipelines in this multi-village scheme consume a considerable amount of time due to the negotiation with landowners regarding the right of way for laying the pipelines and construction of water supply support structure due to the incessant rainfall and soft flash flood that occurred in the last monsoon of 2022 to 2024. Some completed components of the scheme had suffered damage and destruction. This has also slowed down the progress of the work. Testing and commissioning the rising main gravity feeder, main and sub-gravity feeder, several rubber tycoon joints had been damaged by termites, thereby resulting in the taking out and relaying of the rising main gravity feeder, main and sub-gravity feeder. It is time consuming as in some cases anchor blocks and supporting pillars had to be dismantled to facilitate and replacement of rubber tycoons joint and again reconstruction of anchor blocks and supporting pillars. Tekani kadai ka bangiyo ki ong hangdi nakadaw ba kin patla ban pendep ya kani ka scheme Jal Jeevan Mission apo ka district ka jungi ki aidaw hakabiyade bat covid nang tapade bat ka jing pentut jong ka mariang te hangni ngimla ban pediang ya kani kadaw namar babalai ha kani ka scheme la pelaj pat ba ya ka daw prime minister jong kari India house nem arjar khat khandai mental ajanda ndrius nem ndai balai kani ka scheme kadang delay kampat dep haduk menta ngi ku mu pat ba ngikuak bantip bat ngiburu ya ka cingkeli ba balai ai daw tang yo COVID-19 lakat no teli kisnem ki balayai ti kani ka daw ka ba ngi ngimla ban pediang ka bor ba dai pek ya kani ki hak ban jubab balai ki ai daw be tang yo COVID-19 te hang di ngala toru ya ka cingkeli ka baar how many contractors who has allotted with the work under the scheme of Jal Jeevan Mission and what are their names and their address. Te hang ni ka jubab ka malayo bagi contractors kidon hadu kumba cis pak pelangut ki contractors ki badon hapo is Antia Hills na ka benta ban pentri kam ya kani ka scheme JJM Jal Jeevan Mission. Henry ka bas ngong lungo bun tangki contractors Henry ki kam kisak teng bat kisakut nimlah ban pendep te hangdi ba kaniru ka ba nginamlah ban pediang bat ngaburu ka jingkeli hatu namar kini ki contractors ki badon hangdi ka kerteng bat ka address ka jumki Henry donru ki contractors ki badai nabar jela nabar state te ka jingkeli hangni ka lomba hatu ki briu jongi ki mlah mo ban pentre ya kani ka scheme balai onda don kam ban ai kontrak chaki bar jela tiki ai kontrak sadu uni ki nakol kata udon nang ta pade nakol kata udon nang ta bat kani kalong kabom syai kani ka MEP DCL contracts mo the name of contractors MEP DCL te hang di claim mention ya ka address te kani ru ngim snu thu so tha ba balai hap klaim pensyai ya ka address hakabiya dei bat kane ti kandiru kalong ka ka ba ngi kum ki ba ngi kwa bantip na katanat badai pe ti don tang kumba don till date under the scheme of JJM kajubab ka reply mo the works in all the villages are ongoing kaniru ka reply ka bom clear marnga keli hang ning ong katnu teli ki snong ki baha pa po is Antia Hills ki bompat dep ban pentre kam ya kani ka skip te kajubab ani ki ong barok kisnong kidang ya skmat ka jing tre tengah klem ong ba hatu kadang tre na kam tre na klem pani kata ka jing keli re ngapani ka jing keli ba katno teli ki kisnong ki bompat dep te kanderu kajubab ka bom clear ka ba ngiyo nang ni